Now, there is no possibility of retrial for the same offense. Oh, but it may be difficult at times to determine whether the trial judge's action was, in fact, an acquittal or was a dismissal or some other action which the prosecution may be able to appeal. The question is whether the ruling of the judge, whatever its label, actually represents a resolution, correct or not, of some or all of the factual elements of the offense charged. Yes. Now, let's say that everybody thinks that the prosecution can appeal any decision of the judge. Oh, but what about the defense appealing the decision of the judge? I'll give you an example. Somebody other than the petitioner starts a matter in court. Yes. She herself doesn't appear in court because she doesn't sign the court order. Oh. And you don't give me any due process because you don't want me involved in the court matter itself. Right. Then there's the fraudulent use of the state court seal and forgeries and other problems. Yes. But I decide to sue you, the sheriff of Clallam County, and then as soon as I get the judgment for you enforcing a court order where the petitioner did not start the matter in court because you refused to enforce my rights, I appeal every court decision of every judgment that I get so that it takes 20 fucking years. Now, as the individual that starts the matter in the court known as a lawsuit, yes, I have the legal right to appeal every judgment of every jury because of how I dislike the way they word it. Pooch. Now, I can increase the actual legal expenses of every sheriff of this nation that knows that there is no way that any person can start a matter in court other than the petitioner or the petitioner's lawyer. Right. Because I know that as the individual that starts the matter known as a lawsuit, then we go through discovery, pooch. Then we go through an investigation, ooch. Then we deposition and we subpoena those that we want as witnesses. And then we have a jury panel, pooch, from a jury pool. Pooch. And then I get that judgment where you're going to pay me everything that's owed for allowing for an actual matter to be started in a court that the individual known as the petitioner did not want to start. Then I appeal every judgment and we go through the whole fucking thing again for another 10 fucking years.